everyone, and I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain these stylish clothes.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll show the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of the stylish clothes.com website, and this is an online website based in India that sells women's fashion wear including saris, lehengas, tops, kurtis, etc. And the prices of these offerings are quite reasonable, guys. So you can take a look at the entire exclusive collection of saris, lehengas and other wear. Now let's talk about the payment information. So guys, I'm not able to view any payment information here. No payment info is available on the site. And when it comes to the shipping information, then here is the option delivery and return. And according to the details, orders and deliveries are processed Monday to Saturday excluding public holidays, and deliveries are made between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday. But guys, no specific duration is mentioned on the website, which is, I think, not a good sign. Anyways, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a valid HTTPS and secure connection, which is a good sign. And yes, when it comes to the domain information, the domain name was created on 11th of September 2020 and it is 9 days old website, guys. So this is a newly launched website and that is why the website may not have too much traffic. So let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So guys, I'm not able to view any About Us section, which is not a good sign. And this makes the website quite suspicious. Plus, the rates of the products are too low, guys. So we need to discuss more factors about the legitimacy of this website. Now coming to the contact us information. So in this contact us section, they have not provided their official address, but yes, you will find an email address and contact number which are fake. Even the spellings of the content are not correct in this section, guys. You can take a look. The spelling of the Gmail is incorrect. The content is copied. So I think this makes it suspicious. Now let's talk about the social media presence. So this is the information section. Here is the category. Here is the stylish clothes. So yes guys, here you can see various social media icons available on the website, which are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. But these social media icons are not active and misleading. Yes guys, this website has no social media presence at all. So this is a red high alert and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now coming to the return policy. So guys, the company offers 30-day return policy. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund and return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And talking about the customer reviews, so guys, no shopper has mentioned any response on the official website of thestylishclothes.com, and we have found no customer reviews about this website. And guys, in the final conclusion, I would say the stylishclothes.com store appears to be a scam website because absence of contact address, absence on social networking sites, unavailability of company's information, poor design of website, and the copied content led to believers that it is a suspicious site and possibly a scam. And guys, if you have ever get scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys.